Hello, sirs. Today we're going to balance the game and talk about the based Space Marine devs. But I do realize that I'm late and I'm apologizing. Zoe had me waking up every hour and had me go take her out to take a stroll multiple times through the night. So I needed to sleep a little bit before I could stream. And I wanted to sleep for like an hour, so I wake up at 11 perfectly with the stream. But apparently I fell asleep for 2 hours. I was gone for 2 hours and then I woke up and asked my wife how late it is. She told me it's 12 and I'm like... Shh. And she told me just don't stream today, you know, just relax. And I told her, no. I said that I was gonna stream and I will stream. Hello, you guys. Good morning. Yeah, Mr. Aizen. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm late. I'm very sorry I am. It's very stressful at the moment. Goodness. There you are. Hello, lolboy. Good morning, you guys. Okay, guys. I want to quickly work on the game. And just balance it, you know. Play a little bit and see what we can balance. I wanted to do this off stream too. And then, you know, the stuff that is where I can improve the game drawing-wise, I'm gonna do that later. Now I just want to figure out, okay, is the game fun? Can we play the game and does it make fun? Hope you guys are doing good. Today's Friday. Hell yeah. I always like Friday, because then I know that I don't have to work for the company. I know that I can just relax. Very... Oh, actually, I wanted to do the font atlas thing. Do you guys want to do this? It's like a technical thing, but maybe that would be a cool idea. You know, I built the font atlas that we talked about yesterday in Sprite. What do you guys think? So the idea is... I'm gonna let you guys decide, because I have to do both anyways. In a font, usually what you have is you have a letter. Let's do the letter A here. And as you have this letter, maybe in pixel art, okay? And you might want to have an outline for this character. And maybe in this case, the outline would be white. And so obviously you somehow have to draw this outline in a particular way. You know, change the color maybe, or maybe even change the opacity. So for example, you could have somewhat less transparent pixels. For example, let's say half, and they fill in some of these slots to make this appear maybe a little bit better, right? So that would be an outline. And right now what I have in my game is I have this font. Sorry, I have this, the black stuff here. So the letter, actually, the letter, I have that separated. Huh? Just move it. I have that separated from the outline. And the outline looks something like this. And that's the letter. And when I want to draw an outlined character, I just draw the outline first, and then on top of that, I smash the letter. But that also means that it's two individual quads. So I basically draw two quads, two rectangles in particular, for each letter. And I could basically make that twice as efficient if I don't draw two rectangles, but if I have those merged together. However, I don't know how much work it will be to add this into the game, right? To have this in here. You guys want to do this today? Want me to do this today? Because I think it needs to be there as an improvement to the game. Why would you need to optimize that though? So the reason why I want to optimize that is because my damage numbers look really bad at the moment. So let me catch a cool picture here. No, not this one. They overlap. We saw that yesterday. Wouldn't having it as two separate things allow you to change the color of the outline for things like rarity items and such? Yeah, but that allows me, like this allows me to do that too. So essentially what I would do here is I would control U, I would hue shift this. No, I would, let's see, I would hue shift this 1 to red. Or let's say to green. Green is the outline. And then, control U, bro. I would hue shift 1 to green. And then I would take the other one and I would hue shift that to red. So I think in this case, I don't even know, how can I turn this to red? Ah, there we go, I think, no? Wait a minute.
Damn, this is actually
there we
looking
go.
good. Easily a mixed review / mostly positive.
There you go, like this. You know? So I would have these and then I would multiply the red by one color and I would multiply the green by the other color. And if the other color wouldn't exist, or didn't exist, then green would just be empty. I would just need to supply 2 colors. I could still change them separately. Yeah. That's what signed distance fields are for. Yeah, so that's what you would do with signed distance fields, but I realized that with signed distance fields in my font, at least for pixel art font, the font looked really bad. You know? So, like, I think we can do this really quickly. And then if it takes too long, I think we're gonna do this really quickly because I just want my font to look good and maybe the game then plays a little bit more, is a little bit more optimized. Because if I turn off VSync, you could see that I have 600 FPS. And whenever I display a lot of text, it does go down a bit. Not much. Actually, it doesn't at all. No, it doesn't. So this is probably something else, but worth investigating. Let's see. So updating the enemies makes the game go from 900 down to 300. 200. So there's an issue here already. I need to figure that out. Because that's abnormally high. The overlapping problem is because of the multiple quads. Yes, that's the problem. Exactly. And I'll try. Or I'm just gonna change the code and we move on. Let me test this. I wanna change the code and maybe we can just move on. You know what? No. I'm just gonna do that. For the FPS, I think it's not worth. Yeah, but it's more than FPS. Wonder why this goes down so much. Look at this. It goes down to 200 frames per second. Where is it spending so much time? The update enemy function is, for some reason, doing so much. Manage covered enemies? Maybe it's this debug? Let's see, if 0? Is it this? Because right now it's happening too. You see this? It's 200. No, that's not it. Wait a minute, so it's not this code, it's draw enemies. This here, this right here. Wait, is it the component? Is it the boss bar? Or the draw HP bar? Oh shit. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Hello there, Bree, bro. I'm already moving on to your mom, bitch. I see. Yeah. Hello there, Mani. Good morning, bro. What is causing this lag? The fuck? Look at this. It's this... Eh? It's just drawing the entity. Huh? Let's say I'm not drawing the entity, the enemies. How is this so much? What? Which function call? Huh? Nani? Bad code confirmed. The fuck? Let's say
chat.
draw entity. Is that it?
Cakez. Pepe Neil homies.
It's not even this. It's not even this function. It's not even the function that's drawing them. Huh? Draw buffs? Huh? Huh? Does this cause anything? Yes. Huh? What? Wait a minute. So hashtag if 0 and then hashtag end if. Let's get rid of the HP bar first. That doesn't exist anymore. How is it 200 frames per second? Just by iterating over the enemies in this way. Huh? Hey, bruh. Wait a minute, let's get rid of this. Oh wow, something's wrong. Oh. Shit. Huh, okay, so it's not the type of for loop that's happening. Huh? So then I'm not doing anything here. Nothing is happening here. How does this take? Get sprites? No. It's just a loop that does nothing now. Maybe animate?
Great to be back to my favorite Vulcan stream. Please keep your functions shorter than 5 lines.
Big retard, don't help. Gotcha, bitch!
Oh god. Holy shit. Who cares on YouTube? I didn't even see that. Good morning. Here is for another one. You donated $10. Thank you so much for the incredible fucking support, bro. Sorry I missed that. Damn, bro. Thank you. Strange. And GSE stream. Welcome, bro. Good morning. Guys, I figured out the problem. I figured out the problem of I had a very inefficient function. And the function would get more and more inefficient the longer the game was on. And you know, in this case, you know how long the game was on for this time? It was on since I left the stream yesterday. So for 24 hours my game has been running. And what I have here is an animate function that takes in the real time of the game. And you want to know how much that is? Hello? That is this 40,374 number. So you see that? And I'm trying to animate the boss HP bar to 0.75 seconds. So I subtract 0.75 seconds from this time in a while loop. Why do I have 2 while loops here? Ah, okay, so if it's less than 0, I go up. So how would I do that? If the time is less than 0 in animate, I would want... So here, this one's easy, right? If, in this case, if time is greater or equals duration, then we just do time modulo equals. That's easy. That's very simple. This one, I want to have an inverse modulo. Why does that not work? Huh? You stupid? Oh, maybe just dereference it first and then modulo equals. Right? Huh? Am I stupid? Huh? Modulo equals. Am I modulo of a float? Oh, I see. So then fmod takes in the value of time and duration. That is the value of time is this. Okay, so fmod f. And in this case, so let's say so like I can only visualize this. I can't explain it. So let's see. I have a timeline. No. I have a timeline. And here is 0. Here is infinity. Here is minus infinity. Okay? And my duration is, let's say, 6 seconds. Okay, and now like the time that I supply is here. This right here is the t value that I'm supplying, which is minus 500 and I don't know, 72. Now what I want to do here is slice this in 6s, divide this by 6, or modulo this by 6. Modulo this by 6. That would give me a number. Let's open up a calculator. It's 500. What was it again? 572. No. 572. Modulo. Where's modulo? You stupid? Ah, there we go. Modulo 6, I think. 2. And I think I want this to be... If I go to here, I either want this to be 2 or 4. But I don't know which one, since it's negative. Right? So let's say it's minus... The thing is minus 2. Then I do plus the duration, that would be 4. Right? Guys, am I stupid? Like, does this make sense? Why are you using a pointer in the first place? No? Tesseract, thank you very much for following. Makes 0 sense. Guys, are you dumb? Are you actually fucking stupid? So boneheady that you don't understand why I need a pointer here. You dumb, right? Listen, okay? I'm gonna explain it for dummies, okay? So let's not do this. But this one should be obvious, right? When the time is greater than the duration, I need to generate the time that is less than the duration so I can get a new animation index. Now, why do I need an animation index? Because I'm animating a sprite using a frame counter. Okay, so I have a sprite sheet that is 10 sprites or 10 frames, and I want to animate them over, let's say, a second. Then I supply a time and I just gauge back which index I'm currently at. But I also get the time back. I also make sure that I can do this. Oh, this is in the render interface. Okay, wait. I can animate any thing really in the game and not have to worry about the time at all. So for example, if I draw an animated buff, I just supply the time from the buff and it loops. Why are you modifying time? So why am I modifying time? Let's take an example of where I need that. Oftentimes I don't. You're right. Oftentimes I don't. Here, for example, if I'm animating my unit, then I want the animation time to be changed. So like to alternate. For running and... what is that? Is that default is attacking, I think. Or idling. Let me see here. So this is running, for running. And then this is for attacking or idling. And so I want to change that time to loop. You don't need to modify the global time for that, man. No, yeah, I know that. The pointer makes a mess. But why? But that is why you can use either a reference or better return the change time. I'm returning the animation index. Why can't you just get the absolute value instead? Maybe I don't use fabs. Guys, I can do it in the other way too, but this way makes sense too. So, because sometimes I do want to get the time back. So, for example, for particles as well, I supply the pointer to the time and then it loops the time for me. Right? I mean, instead of your loop, use fabs. Yeah, so now we use this. It's an if check now. Or I could always do this, right? I don't need to check an if here. I just fmod this all the time. And you guys are saying I should just supply time like this. And don't use a pointer at all. Don't ever change this. Is that what you guys are saying? But why? Isn't time a float? Why bother using pointers instead just copying by value? Because again, I explained this. Also, what happens if I fmod f the negative time? What happens on fmod f and time is negative? What happens then?
Cakez, I have bad news. I just got your wishes for Christmas. Sadly, releasing Tangy Defense is an impossible task, even for me.
Gideons.
Good luck.
And J Reaper. And Tesseract, thank you guys for following.
Yeah, what's the monster doing, huh? Ah!
Hello, Cakez.
Fabs instead of the top loop, because all that is doing it is making it positive. Why would the time be negative? Isn't that global time? Guys, I feel like I'm explaining it, but you're only listening half the time. Did you not realize that I'm supplying the particle time here? Or I'm supplying the entity's animation time here? Or I'm supplying the entity's movement time here? So like I'm not always supplying the global time. Because the time is not a function locally, but some other place. But that's why you can use either a reference or better return the change time. The pointer works too. I think the pointer works too. So the thing is here is I want the animation time here to loop. That's the reason why I'm supplying it as a pointer. You know? And return a tuple of two values? No, why would I do that? Why would I need to do this? I can just use the animation. Like, guys, whatever. I'm just gonna do it the way it is. And So I just need to make sure that negative time is also happening, because I had issues with that too. How do I do that? How do I... Don't I have like a playground here somewhere? I think that's the easiest. Let's see. C++. Playground. Can we use this here? Actually, no. That's too bright. Can I not... Like, can I not do my own thing? Ah. Alright. It's already an annoying editor. Okay. F mod F of -50 to 4. Float test .of .of. There we go. And then std cout
Sag.
test std oops and line. There we go. Run. Failed. Fmod s was not declared. So I need to include math. I think it's math.h. -2. Okay. Wait, so let's see. -1. Okay, and then you told me, Mr. Azen, you told me to use something else, and that is called fabs. Float absolute. So what I would do here is fabs of this, and then run that, and that would be 1. Haha, so I need to do fabs and then fmod to get a positive value. Fabs F, I mean, yeah, fabs F or whatever, right? Both works, both seem to work. Okay, cool. So essentially, like that. I wonder how efficient these are. Okay, and now obviously animate. I still want this to be a pointer. Okay, so now the game shouldn't be running so slowly.
I love Cakez dirty
There
dog
we go.
fucker, no soap, no skill, no original ideas, balloons, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge,
Hello,
no games, release, no good text, no code, dummy, react, and
Remisto.
fuck off, stop streaming, okay champ.
Hello, Cake77 Ultimate Pro, C++ Game Developer Mafia Pro, 2000 Hardstack Full-Time Streamer Fortnite Champion. I like the first part of your message. Ultimate Pro, C++ Game Developer. Thank you, bro. The second part, I don't know like who is that for, but it's definitely separated by a 2000, so could be someone else, you know. Good morning, Kubele. Long time no see, bro. Hope you're doing good, bruh. And fuck you, TCap. Good morning, Nahian Codes. Hello there. Welcome. Enex. Good morning. Hello. You're banned. You are banned. Cakes, when will you play Fortnite? Yeah. I'm not a Battle Royale person, my brother. Like, what can I say? What can I say? What can I say? I'm not a big... Okay, so essentially this follow was not doing it. That wasn't the issue. Draw entity and draw buffs wasn't doing it either. It was not the boss HP bar either. It was literally just the animate function that was very bad.
Don't market it.
Okay,
the
cool.
money will come to you.
Don't know there was a stream because I had no notification in Discord. Wait, there was no notification in Discord? No notification? Wait, you're right. Huh? Why did I... Mr. Bro, huh? Abif, what happened? Discord message? Test notification? Maybe it comes on now? MF, yeah. MF! YouTube comments. No pleasing the internet. Good luck, have fun. No use pleasing your reference. YouTube comments. But there's no excuse not to use a reference here at least. It will never be null. Fine, guys, I'm gonna use a reference. But if I don't make much progress today, it's because of you. It's your fault. Because you wanted me to change an animate function that I use throughout my entire game on multiple places. And I'm not even getting, hopefully, I'm not even getting errors for this. I do, okay, thank God, I do. Use a reference. How mad people get, you know? It's crazy how mad people get when it comes to like programming in a certain way, you know? Both things work. And both things have their place. You know, if this was C, you couldn't even use a reference and would still function in the fucking game later on. This game would still perfectly work fine. But no!
You need to use a reference! Why don't you use a fucking reference, you damn moron idiot? God!
Fine, I'm gonna use a reference. Calm down! Hm? Kannst du mir einen Kaffee machen? Danke. Yo. Just use the best tool for the job. And remember, clean coding sucks. True. Yeah, so I'm sitting here, you know. Now I'm sitting here on my stream. And I'm removing the fucking... what is this sign? What is this sign called? The ant sign or something? I'm simply... what is this time here? Pointer? Draw animated. Draw sprite animated. Oh, I see. So now I have to turn this into a reference. Oh, there's this draw sprite animated here as well. Reverse infinite sign. Yeah, true. No, it's a rotated sign. Oh shit! I made a mistake. I accidentally wait. Uh-oh. Oh no. I made a mistake. Wait. Fuck. What now? Who is sad November is here? Me. Cause it means Dance Gaming is no longer streaming every night. I didn't watch much anyways, but it was cool while it lasted. Why isn't Halloween for 2 months? Yeah, true, right? Smiling big. I'm not sad at all, you know? I'm not sad at all, no? Would keep it a pointer to be honest, so I knew it was being changed when calling it. Immo. Actually, you're right, you know? Actually, you are right. I'm gonna change it back now. Smart Asian, thank you. Smart, brother. You're a very smart person. Thank you for the words of encouragement. My man. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Aizen got the credit, but not me. Why are you swapping to operators? I'm not swapping operators. I'm just turning it back to a pointer so that we can move on. Okay, guys, since we have more people here now, question. Should I do this today? Should I essentially merge my two font atlas, is like my two separated fonts into one merged fonts where I have the font in one channel and the other, where I have the outline in one channel and the font in the other channel, essentially. I don't know how I would do that in this case, because I need to write both values, essentially. I think I would have to start with the outline. I mean, we could try, right? Let's just test what this looks like when we draw normal font. So that would be a load font. This is the one important thing here. And I'm going over, let's see, texture buffer, outline buffer. I have an outline buffer. And I have a texture buffer. And I would write everything into the texture buffer now. And we have two bitmap outline glyph. And so which one would I use in terms of rows? That's the thing, right? So can I make sure... Danke. Can I make sure... Wait a minute. Yeah, so you see here? So, like... thickness. I wonder what that means. Chat's thickness? Chat's thickness? Oh no! I was mad when I programmed this!
Developers.
God damn it. Oh man, like what was I even doing here? Oh, you guys triggered me when I did this, 100%. Ah, god damn it. What does the thickness mean here? Oh, come on, help me out, guys here. Why do I do this? Floor. I'm flooring your thickness. Like, why? Huh? Bitmap outline glyph. So that's the bitmap. That's essentially like a picture. And it has a width and a bitmap width. So, okay. What this is saying then is that if I have this twice, one could be thicker than the other. So this one here would just look like this. That's thick. And then this one here would just be the red part. Since I cannot generate... And so this one is not as thick as this one. So then chat's thickness... Oh, I get it now. So I'm trying to... I get it. So I'm trying to put the thickness of the outline in there. So essentially, I think what's happening is this one here compared to this one is... It would look like this if I didn't do the chat thickness. I need to move it down by 1 and I need to move it to the right by 1 so that's in the middle. That's chat's thickness essentially. And so now I don't need to write into the texture buffer. I can just write... Fuck, I only have one buffer available to me. So now I need to have a buffer that has 2 slots Wait, how does it even work? It has 2 slots for each slot. For red and green.
Bad code. Check. React all day. Check.
This.
0 progress. Check.
Right, so that would be
went. Check.
R
-CPP.
and G.
Check.
Red and green. It's not bad code. Who said that?
Fuck Cakez Bask.
Shut the fuck up. Hello, Cakez Fart. Good morning, bro. You're very awesome. I like that you're always friendly when you say hello, bro. I really appreciate that, brother. And that's worth shouting out. God, I need to put the coffee to the side. It's so fucking hot. So, wait a minute. How would I do this in this case? Is this how it works? Guys, I have a question.
Shut up!
Okay. When we load a texture, okay? We're loading a texture. As a PNG. And we are using STB image. Okay? These are the conditions. We're loading a texture and it's an STB image. We're using the STB image library. Now, here's my question. It bothers me, okay? It bothers me. It bothers me. Okay. Paint as a text to little bro. Now, when I load this in, what I get back is a character pointer. That I think it looks like this in memory. If this is the memory layout for the character pointer, this is what it's looking like. It is slotted. And so this is 1 pixel. And by the way, we loaded 4 channels. That would be, we would have the red value here. That's 1 character, one character. And then after the red, we have the green channel. And then the blue channel. And then the alpha channel. And I guess I'm just gonna call that this. And then it's separated again. Is that it, guys? Is that how the memory is laid out? When I'm loading a texture. Remove this emote. Pirate Drink. What are you guys doing? Remove this. Likely, yes. So what I'm saying here then is I can just make a 2-dimensional array, right? So if I want to mimic this layout, I can just make a 2-dimensional array, right? And the second slot is 2. A 2-dimensional character array. Is that the same as this? That's the question. Is the memory laid out exactly like this in a 2-dimensional array? Or like it would be a 4-dimensional array, right? But I only want to use red and green. Come on, guys. You are smart. Come on, you guys. What? Is it correct or not? Guys, are you stupid? A 2-dimensional array with 4 slots in the second slot. I'm just gonna try it out, you know. Whatever. Like, whatever. Like, whatever. So this would be 0. That is the outline. And then number 1 of the outline buffer would be that. And so now, all I need to do is generate a different texture. I need R8G8. Wait, that doesn't exist? Why does that not exist? Wait. Is it RG8? Is that how it works? Ah, okay. Okay. And then wait, I need to do... Shit, how do I do that? Actually, I think it's fine. Let's see if this works. I want to see if this works. That would be cool if it does. But I think it would mix.
Uh-oh. What happened to penis?
I mean, we'll try. We'll try. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. I mean, wasn't expecting it to work on the first try, of course. Aha. It's crazy how I managed to get Chinese letters. Damn. Wonder what I did. But we will manage to fix it, guys. Don't worry. This is what it looks like now. It's still an R8U norm. I wonder why. Because I changed it to a different texture. Bind texture. Wait a minute. Texture image 2D. Am I doing something? Oh, GL red. What does that mean? GL red? Wait, is there no GLRG? There's only GLRGB. So do I need to do RGB? The first argument is the internal format. The second is what you pass in. Yeah, but I'm passing an R and G, not... Wait, that works? I wasn't sorted. Aha! Okay, thank you, Mr. TCAP. I appreciate it, bro. This, right? GLRG. Or do I have to do red-green? I mean, we'll try. I don't know. Maybe it works now. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to generate a red and green texture. That's what I'm trying to do. Which is why this looks fucked up, because only every second pixel is red. Right? Let's see here. It's fine, you know, when you do these types of things, the first time it never works, but this time it's gonna work. Watch. It's gonna work. Failed to load game DLL. Wait a minute. Hey? Dr. Pirate Roberts, good morning. Hello there, sir. You joined just at the right time, bro. Watch. No way, it just works! Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait a minute. Hey, that's awesome. Okay, what does it look like? Ha! It's yellow. Perfect. So, yay! Cool. So essentially, red plus green is yellow. And now we can take... Okay. Wait, didn't I change the shader? Wait. Okay. Here's the shader. And here is the fragment color, how we generate it. So we take the red channel from the texture color and we multiply that by the materials color. In this case, the red channel is the outline. So we take the green channel and multiply that by the outline color. And... Oh, I see. It's when we're rendering font. Okay, yeah, wait. There's no way that works. Wait, no. We need to take the green channel, multiply that by the texture color plus maybe the additive color. Or we do this. We do texture color dot red. Right? It pluses that. But red is black, right? So we multiply that by, right now we don't have control, but red is black. So that means we do a vector 3 of zeros. Okay, and then we add to that the green color, which would turn it to green. That is multiplied by whatever color we use. And it does dot RGB. And then it also adds the RGB on top, but maybe like that.
Gotcha, bitch!
Like this. Right, so wait a minute. We have red using black and green using the material. And then we add that on top here. And we build a vector 4 out of this. Right. That uses the alpha. Of the material. Or we do a vector of 4, 0 here. Then we just add the color here. Then that's still using the alpha. Yeah, like that maybe. Maybe that's easier to read. Right? So essentially just this. That's some bullshit. That's some actual editor bullshit. It really actually bothers me that this works the way it works, but okay. Yeah, wait. Huh? Yeah, so now, here's the thing. This stuff here, yoink, we put this here. And when we press save now, it should change to the actual color. Guys, if I save this now, it should just work. You guys ready? Hey!
I don't want to be like pigs.
Gotcha, bitch.
That's some bullshit, bro. That's some actual bullshit. Fuck you, asshole. Huh? Okay, bro. Yeah, okay, bro. Okay, bro. Sure. So what do I have here? Is texture color red on the material color alpha. That draws it. Okay, let's build this like one by one, right? Maybe we did a mistake here. So, okay. I can get that. Now, do I texture fetch this correctly? I'm a moron. I'm so dumb. I was not using the correct outline atlas. So I need to, I see. So essentially, it still works, guys. It will work. Watch. So like, wait, it will work. If I replace this and save now, it will work. You guys ready? You guys ready? Why is the black gone? Maybe because... Like this? But this doesn't apply, that needs to take the alpha, material alpha. So wait a minute, so we would need to do like a material.color.alpha. Right? Is this actually correct now? Hey guys. Hey guys, I just managed to add in outline font into my game. Yeah. I know. I know. It's incredible, isn't it? Hmm. Hell yeah. Very easy. Didn't even take me like 30 minutes. Shut up. And it is transparent. What the fuck is that? Don't fucking tell me there's... What the fuck is that? Why the fuck is this trans... Huh? What the fuck? Don't fucking tell me. Ha! 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 Cool! Great job. It took me almost 3 days to have a proper save script on my game. Haha. But now you have a good save script. You have color 2 black and transparency. See. Yeah, so listen. So the outline is always going to be black for now. I will not animate that at all. The only thing that I will animate on the black outline is the alpha. In the future, maybe I will supply an outline color. And or I could treat the material color as the color for the font, and then the additive color would be the outline color. So what I could potentially do here is say, okay, additive color and then material alpha, right? Additive color.rgb essentially. I could do that. Okay, cool. And then we just need to draw. We need to ask for font. And I need to get rid of the rendering option outline. Or actually I need to keep it, but font is has always needs to be there. Rendering option font. I wonder if yeah, so essentially it would need to ask this question here. Always. And this else if doesn't need to exist. Bro, it works. It should work. It does. Now everything is drawn with outline. Even the FPS, even this timer here. Cool. Nice. And actually, is that correct? Okay, guys, it doesn't work. When I'm not drawing with outline, it still draws it with an outline. So there is still some issue here. It's not discarding. Green is 1. Or green is not 0. It's not discarding it. Why is it not discarding it, guys? Because it's inverted. I'm collecting W after W today. It's insane, bro. Holy fucking shit, brother. That's insane. Now all we need to do is go into the render interface and fix the draw text function. It's actually very simple to fix this. I programmed this in a very easy way. Outlined text. Boom. Just has their own quad drawn. Now it's just gone. And over here, drop shadow draws their own transform as well. So now we are essentially done. And rendering text outline, that's something else. So that's essentially, that's gonna fix me drawing the text twice, but it should still show up. Yeah, okay, so obviously I programmed it in a way where I removed, from the original transform, I removed the outline option, which I shouldn't. I should just keep it. Let's see. Render options, align center, blah, blah, blah.
Gotcha, bitch.
There has to be outline. Oh, wait, I'm just supplying the text data render. Wait, text data? Wait a minute. Yeah, text data. Let's see. Text data render options, blah, blah, blah. Text data. Transparent. Draw UI sprite. What is this? No longer. Oh, draw a sprite, yeah. Yeah, color, color, color. Text data. Render options and drop shadow. Wait a minute. What if I undo again? Because, what is that? If we have outline, then the transform 2 is the transform where we remove the outline and we draw it normally. So I should always have outline now, though. That's odd. Transform 2 and we get rid of outline. It draws number 2, and what does it draw here? Number 1. Hey, but it does have outline. That's so odd. I'm confused right now. I did some weird coding here. Oops. Wrong one. It gets the transform using the outline. So if transform dot... Hey, I'm confused. Why is it not drawing the outline here? Okay. Level info on top. So for example, the heart display or display the seats. It draws an outline number. Let's see. F9. Of course. Stupid mem set. I hate that. I hate that. Yeah. And then that draws a format UI text. That draws a UI text. Okay. And then I'm pretty sure... Can I do an if check here? Or can I do text? Is the debugger smart like that? So I can do text data dot... what is it? Render options. And... rendering... Or is it render option? Let's see, shader header. Rendering option, yeah. And rendering option... Rendering option... where's outline? Text... underscore... Where's outline? Text outline. Does this give me 1 or 0? And if check in the watch window, so what does that mean? What if I do drop shadow? Text drop shadow. That is 0, so we don't have drop shadow, but we have outline. Okay, so that works. Cool. Text outline. Good. Okay, so we have outline in the text, right? And then we draw the characters. We still have that. Then it goes through this stuff right here, blah, blah, blah. I want to get to the part where we get the transform. We still have text data. So it draws the UI quad using... Wait, the render options are gone now. Font transparent. Huh. 4. Hey? That's the problem. So we definitely need to have font here. We need to do text data dot render options, or that together with font and maybe transparent. That would probably solve the issue. And then it asks us, okay, do we have transparent transforms? We put it here. Do we have... Yeah. Yeah, font is always transparent. I think this is it now, guys. This got to be it. Holy shit, man. I'm collecting so many W's today. It's insane. Like, can anybody stop this guy today? Goodness. You guys see nothing changed in the game, right? But it did. It's now twice as efficient as before. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Cool. Awesome. Which means And the player didn't care, sure, but I do. Because, you know, I'm gonna tell you now what we just did. Let's look at the damage numbers, okay? Look at that. Ooh, that feels a lot better. Oh, that feels better. We need big ones here. Now the numbers are perfectly on top. So many FPS? Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the mage. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I wanted. You see this? Now all of the numbers feel like they are actually in front or behind. It's a tiny thing, but it does work. It's really important. You see this? And now I can even work on more layering. Looks sweet as fuck. Yeah, so yesterday we had issues where the numbers would sometimes be on top of each other and it would look bad. I'll show you a reference image from yesterday. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Let's see live. Goodness. Yesterday, there we go. Ah, there it is. I just found it. Yeah. Gonna try to find. Let's try to find the paint. Where I should open that in paint. Must have been like somewhere before. Can you stop lagging, please? Can you stop lagging? Sorry. Sorry. It's lagging again. I can't believe this. Like, what's going on? What is my... Is it because I'm not using VSync? Could that be the issue? No, it's lagging too. Maybe it's RenderDoc. Close it. Oh, so annoying! Stop lagging! Sorry, I hate that. Oh my god, every 2 seconds, man! Stop it! I'm closing all of it. I'm closing all the... Why is that happening, bro? Fuck you and your 40% GPU usage, man. Fuck you. Now let me scroll, please. Not now. Okay. Okay, it stopped lagging. Okay. Had to restart the browser. Okay, somewhere here. I really want to see the before and after. I want to show the before and after. It's here somewhere. I almost have it, okay? I almost have it. Is it important to show the before and after? Yeah, for me it is. I don't have to. But I need to prove someone in chat wrong. And I gladly do that. Makes me happy. To know that I was right. And that dumbass in chat was wrong. You know, that's how I can go into the weekend and... Fuck! I mean, this would work. No! Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When are you gonna talk about the font, brother? I don't know. Don't want to miss the paint. Maybe it's just too short. I never talk about it in paint. Maybe I don't have it open for long enough so that I like take a look at it in paint. Like I do have this open for a long time. Maybe it was later. I can't show it anymore because I fixed it now, right? So that's the problem. Ah, there we go. See, this is the problem. Oh my god, it didn't load the fucking time. Are you kidding me? Oh, I hate YouTube, man.
Play now!
Yeah, but I'm still gonna talk about it because I wanna... This is the problem. Take a look at what... There we go. This is the problem. Can you tell what's going on here, guys? Can anyone tell what's going on? Huh? How? It's how I can go into the weekend and fuck. Can you stop? What the fuck? Damage? Is your game taking too much resources? This looks bad, by the way. Cakez doesn't remember what he said. What did I say? You need the Ripper 7980X and an RTX 6000 to watch YouTube. Web devs, by the way. Yeah. Minus and OBS. Yeah, those are minus in there. So yeah, and now let's take a look at the awesome fonts, damage numbers in the game.
Hello.
Oh, I'm back. Hello? Oh, that was just for a short time. Okay. Okay, anyways, here, there, this is what it looks like. Now.
Shut up!
I'm not disconnected again. I'm back? Hello? I'm back? Is he still streaming? I'm back. Welcome back. Is the YouTube stream still going too? It says excellent collection. I don't believe that.
Charles. Game demo. Marketing.
Hello, guys.
Steam Next Fest. All scam. Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger.
Oh man, am I
Good
back?
game will sell nonetheless.
Hello, you guys.
The money will come
So
to
good?
you.
Am
Welcome,
I
you
so
guys.
out of touch? No.
Thank you.
Anonymous is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Refresh? Yeah, refresh, guys. Refresh. I should be back on. Are we good? Did Cakez PC explode? No, I just disconnected. I had like a micro disconnection or something. You telling people to refresh doesn't help if they can't see you, UHM. Yeah, you're right, yeah. Okay, so take a look at these numbers now. This is what it looks like now. No, this is not what it looks like now, because for some reason Paint behaves in a weird way. Uh-oh. 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 Ah, we need a good one. This is what it looks like now, guys. Do you see this? and compare this with whatever that is. They always change the user interfaces to keep you on your toes. Chat still works when the video DCs. So I think we now made it 10 times better than before, and we can now finally move on to something more interesting. Let me see here too. Good. How about we start with picking up coins? Because that looks bad. And we also play the game. So I'm currently playing the game, right? I leaked 2 units at the moment. And I obviously don't want to leak much. So we're gonna get some killers in here to kill those skeletons. Good. He's dead too. Let's get that money. Balancing, yeah, so now we're gonna work on balancing immediately. Yeah. I'm gonna give him this weapon. Yeah, I know, it's a bit flashy, the screen. No. I'm gonna fix that at some point, you know? Okay, we can get 10% bleed damage since we went down here anyways. Why not? Get the bleed damage. Excuse me. Uh-oh, I'm leaking. Maybe not? Yeah, I'm leaking now. Am I? Actually, I'm not leaking. I am leaking. Or maybe not? Am I leaking? Am I though? I'm actually not leaking. Damn. I'm leaking. Shit. But not by much. A tiny bit. Okay. Wait. Perfect. Perfect opportunity. So to pick this up here. If we take a look at the font, you can tell that it looks bad, right? This is not properly aligned. Update and draw oranges. There it is. Picking up seeds. It creates an effect. Wait, so it creates an effect? Oh no, that's picking up seeds. Update and draw oranges is the one. It draws a format text, plays a sound, and then does an effect too. Orange sprite ID that moves up together with the text. Floating message text. Wait, that's a sprite in there. So I don't need to create an effect anymore. Do I? I don't think I need to do this. Yeah, I don't. Now I just need to work on the coin. Let's see, what is this coin? Sprite icon coin small? Pivot offset -2. Guys, I feel like -2 looks bad, right? It's too high. So no pivot offset maybe. -1, I guess. Cool. Fix that too. Alright, let's see. Can we kill those 2 guys? I don't think we can. They have too much life. And I don't have enough firepower. So we are in round 7, by the way, now, guys. And do you realize, or have you seen, do you see that, or I guess you can see that I can't kill these 2 guys. I have effectively spent all my money on all the upgrades, and I can't kill these 2 guys. So what does that mean? Ladies and gentlemen, my units are too weak to beat them. So, should I make... No, guys, it's not a fucking skill issue, okay? I'm the creator of the game. I know how to play my game. It's not a skill issue. It is a money issue. Okay? We did not have enough money. You should get better in this game. No. That's not the reason. By the way, guys, I have a question.
Gotcha, bitch.
I have a question. For damage numbers. I will release a tutorial for you, Cakez. Send me the executable and I beat it first try, Cakez. No, you won't. Blue 777. Thank you very much for following. You are the creator. Create some more money. So here's the thing that I think we need to do. I need to generate 1 more round in between this round and round 7 so that it feels a little easier. Okay, so what if the player keeps the heroes in different places? Then your balancing will be off, right? Yeah. So the thing is, we can play this at 10 times the speed, right? So let's say we have like some different positionings, right? Let's do this. I love this 10 times speed thing, you know, it's really cool. So I can't place him here, but I guess I can place him here. Now we have an ability too. Sounds super easy. We get this. Man, it looks so cool. I have to say that menu looks awesome. It looks so like the blue stuff here for sure. It's like, hey, what do you get here next? Ooh, wonder what it is. It's blue. Oh, blue looks cool. Damn. Okay, let's get that stuff. Let's give him nothing on these, by the way. Nothing. Okay, so that's round 7. I spent all my money again. Uh-oh. And I can't beat round 7. It's close, but I can't beat it. Well, I can, but I'm leaking. But if you place the hero differently, would you lose even harder? I think I would. Mr. Necropolis. Yeah, so I'm losing already quite hard. But it looks like in this positioning with this skill setup, I can at least beat the 2 guys. So I think what I need to do is spawn these guys at round 10. And then so that I can invest more money before I have to kill these 2 big guys. Or I'm just gonna spawn more at round 10. So the idea is then this, I suppose. Wow, that's big. What if we do this? Stop it. Are you balancing for level 1, right? You're introducing so many enemy types from the start. So that's the thing. I think I'm just going to introduce them more spread out. You know, so round 1. Guys, I have a question for you. Vim nerds. How can I do this? How can I, like, I need a search indicator for the first round, or round 7, or round 10. But let's say I have round 1. I say, okay, that's fine. Round 2 is fine. Round 3 is fine. Round 4 is okay. And then round 5, the armor wave. What if I want to do this? Now, round 5 is like some sort of generic round before the armor wave. But this is round 6 now. I need to change the comment to round 6. I don't want to do this manually all the time. Make the round starts its own script file that your game can load. I don't know about that, bruh. That sounds awful complicated, you know. That sounds very complicated. You know, that sounds very, yeah. You know, I'm looking towards chat, hoping someone would just give me the answer, but no one does. So no one of you knows either. Are you sure about that, guys? Are you 100% certain that you don't know? Please? Hello, Cakez, what are we working on? I didn't listen. Give me a few to try to test something. Use database, you pleb. I'm working on balancing my game. When we just fixed my font in the game so that I now only use one font atlas in the game. And essentially I now have an empty font atlas that I don't use. Which I should clean that up, by the way. But I'm not doing this now. Who cares? I did this today. Take a look. Do I still have this open? The render doc? Or did I close it because I got mad? Yeah, I got mad. Yeah, I would like to show you, but I can't. We added in outlined font into one atlas. Essentially doing something like this, where I have this in my font atlas. And I take the red part when I just want to draw the font. Or I take both parts when I want to draw an outlined font. And that makes my damage numbers look much better than before. And now they are properly laid on top of each other. Much better than before. As well as these numbers are now in the correct place. And I don't have to worry about some stupid ordering issues. Fix the time lag bug, combined font atlas. Oh yeah, also I had like a stupid function in the game that would make my game lag the longer it runs. That freeze effect on the ground turned out so good. Yeah, right? This looks so awesome. It doesn't have an effect yet, and I want it to be meta progression. So that you can make the... I think I want it to be meta progression. Because I don't want to give it to...
No.
Does 0M0N just subscribe?
Demon.
Big tick support for 3 years.
It's delayed.
Pro 2 delayed so Cakez can finish demo.
I'm actually working on the PoE to React video right now. So it was literally the thing I did before I started streaming. I worked on that video. Very kind of them, yeah. Man, I'm so excited to play the demo. I need to talk to my wife in a way where maybe I can get like 1 or 2 days completely off without seeing Zoe, and we could just no-live the game for 1 to 2 days. You know, and I do like a very big stream for the game. I know I won't have many people watching, but I just love that game, bro. Game time, yeah. It would be awesome. Like, I'm so excited for PoE 2. And oh man, I just want to be part of that launch, you know? I just want to be part of it. And so maybe I can convince my wife to just leave me here, and then she maybe is at a parent's house for like 2 days. And we could play. Your round 9 out of 50 text is still behind the Tangy name. When the character's on the right, Cakez. Yeah, I know. I stopped working on that part of the UI. It's also broken here. Because I realized I want to work on gameplay first. Leave you alone for 2 days. That's crazy. Yeah, just let me be here and degenerate down into gamer mode for 2 days, exactly. And then I will be like, I will play when the game releases until I drop dead from no sleep. Then I'll sleep and then I come back and do it again. And then essentially that would be over. That would be my crazy launch. Yeah, and then I will go, things will go back to normal. I'm still building out systems. Kinda, but I'm mostly done with most of my systems. The last system I built was knockback on tangerines. And so we also have implemented our first boss in the game. He's there too, on round 17 at the moment. And what I'm doing now is I need to space out my rounds a bit more as to not overwhelm the player. And I think I need to stop playing the game with all of the unlocked heroes. Because I don't have the mage available to me that early on. We'll have to see though. Like, I have the mage on round 9. Yes, I do. What happened? Did I see something wrong, or was this eye patch in the wrong location? I need to see that again. No. Okay, so it is not. Damn, that looks so fucking good. It's amazing. Projectile count, and then this one here. Retro Mark, thank you very much for following. Take a loan. I already told my wife I'm Mia for a week. Thankfully, no kids. How old are your kids? Can you just do that in your situation? Like, I don't think I could be, like, alone for a week. I don't think that would... I think that would be too much. Also, I kind of want to see my kid, even though I love playing PoE 2. I kind of want to see, you know, say hello, you know, and play a little bit. Yeah, thank you very much for following, brother. Welcome, sir. Okay, guys. Here's what I think we need to do. I need to figure out the solution. Maybe you guys know that. I talked about this before. If I have round 4, then a comment for round 5. And while this was round 5 before, the comment is wrong. Now I have 2 round 5s. So how can I get the comment right while not having to always go? So let's say I have 50 rounds, right? And I add another round 5. Now 45 round comments are wrong. How the fuck do I do this? Missing in action? Mia? Yeah. First time here, is this Unity? No, you're not first time here. You're lying. Kubilay. And I can prove it to you. You're not here for the first time. And I don't know why this guy is saying Unity. You have 999 messages, bro. You've been here since like November 2022. Huh? You've been here for like 2 years. I feel like you, as the creator, should be able to do this first level with a thumb up your ass. If I would be playing this for the first time, I think it would be overwhelmed with the number of enemies. I think it would, if you scale those numbers down a little at start. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now, yeah. Imagine every Chinese buying your game out of 1,000. You made it, Cakez. Yeah, but it's gonna be banned because of skeletons, right? Normally, you visually select the numbers, then G to increment. Not sure the best way to visually selection though. Maybe it's a macro territory. First time here, is this Java? Okay, Romeo. I feel like you're saying this in a way that leads people to believe that Java is worse than C++. Imagine being here for 2 years, aware. How long have you been here, Orshi? How long have you been here? So real super cool has been here for like 3 years almost. Oh wow, you've been here for 2 years too, bro. Nice background, by the way. That looks cool. How did you do this? Damn, bruh. This guy's been here for 2 years. How many times did you get timed out, bro? Damn. All happened this year. Shade 11. I see. JavaScript is garbage. I think JavaScript is awesome, bro. Lolbo, you've been following for almost 2 years too. How long have I been here? You can just take a look at the followage command, Kitoast. I have 0 timeouts, Rafi? Really, you have? I don't believe that. There's no way you have 0 timeouts. I remember banning you once. Yeah, you're wrong. You have a timeout. See that? Ah, you used vanish yourself. Okay, that doesn't count. Yeah, you guys remember when the vanish thing was happening? That was so annoying. You do the other settings manually too? Yeah, but I'm starting to realize that adding rounds like this is really annoying. And like, so if I wasn't putting in comments for rounds number 4, 5, 6, 7, right? All I needed to do for a new round was just copy this and paste it. Now I have a new round in between those two. So that's essentially the problem. But I guess there's no better way of doing it right now. So now the armor wave is round 6 and then this is round 6. See, that's the problem. I have to go down and increment these one by one. I don't want to do this. Read an Excel file or CSV file. Sorry, Control V, G, Control A. Wait, so Control V. Wait. Control V. G. What the fuck am I doing now? G. Control A. I think it doesn't work. Not sure what it just did. Do basic lines rounds 10, 20, 30, 40. Insert patch at 15. Fuck, man. Control A is increment number by 1. Yeah, but so, like... Just use Control G followed by Alt F4. Okay, we need to get the chat clean from trolls. Try Control A on a line where you're on. Yeah, I know it does this, but I want to select all of these down below, essentially. So like, if I have this, right? I'm gonna select this and then go down. Put cursors on the round number, then Control V. Put the cursor on the round number, then Control V. Yeah? Okay, and then I do a Shift G. Okay. I don't know if this is a good idea, my friend. Vector 22? I have an error here. Vector 15? Uh-oh. This got changed too. Did it? Okay, undo, okay. So, bro. Okay, so like every number got changed. So like I want to select this and then essentially just down to the last array. V without control. Wait, so again. Okay. Oh my god, man, fuck off! Just go back here! What is wrong with you, Vim? Sorry. Okay. Now the round 8 is fine here. Like, what do I do? Cakes, Control Shift W. You're bad. Actually bad. You're fucking asshole. Fuck you, man! Just leave me alone and let me do this, okay? Fucking asshole. My god. I need to find this out today, okay? I don't need distractions. You could make a macro that goes to the next line with //round and press Ctrl A. How do I make a macro again? What are we looking for? What are you trying to do? What I'm trying to do here is, you see how this is round 8? I happen to play my game and I noticed that before round 8 or at round 8, the game's too difficult. And so I want to implement. I want to I want to insert a round before round 8, but now round 8 in the comment is no longer round 8, but round 9. So what I need to do now is, since round 8 is now round 8, and this round 8 is now round 9, and this round 9 is now round 10, I need to select all of these comments down towards the last round, which in this case I think is round 17 or something. And it grows the more I do this, right? The more I add it to the game, the more I have to change these numbers. And I want this to be fast and efficient and not have to, you know, always go down the comment chain to make sure that the round that I just added doesn't break the numbers further down below. So what I need to do here is I need to select all of these somehow in a way and then increment the number by +1. And I just need to select these. That is what I'm trying to do. And I'm pretty sure it's possible to do that. And yeah, round 9, round 8. So yeah, this, we need to start with this round 8 here. Press Q, then O. And then what? Okay, guide coming now. Press Q, then O. I just did Q. Q, /round. Wait a minute. Okay, so let's see. Q. Wait, how does that work? Q. And then a comma, and then /round, \D, so \D, yeah, comma, Control A, comma, Q, minus, and then after minus, do I press enter? Shit, did I do it wrong? Also, I should probably like add the, like we can see the thing at the bottom here when I do this. So, okay, let's do this again. I press Q. Now it's recording. You see here down below it says recording, and then I do comma /round \D. And then it says no comma. But then why did you write a comma, bro? Okay, so no, can you write it without commas? So I'm confused now. Because sometimes you do commas, sometimes you don't. No comma, mein Gott. Shut the fuck up, okay? He wrote a comma. It is a separator, ... comma. you should just switch to... Okay, so let's see here. QQ slash round. Okay. Wait a minute. QQ slash round dash backslash D. Control A. Q. Okay. And what now? Okay. Now press add Q. Okay. Did you do Control A? I did. Okay. So QQ. Again. Wait a minute. QQ. Slash round backslash D. Control A. It doesn't do the Control A when I select this. Control A doesn't increase it. See? When do I press enter? Like I'm still... So like, see, you need to tell me when to press enter. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait. All right, so QQ. No, wait. So wait a minute. QQ slash round dash backslash D. Enter. Control A. And then Q again. Aha! And now what? Now the macro is recorded. What now? Now add plus Q. Q. How's this 12? It's wrong. Okay, wait, so I need to do a Q. Is there a way to like automate this? It's a trap? (10) add Q. So what if it doesn't find? Wait. See, like it did this again. So it would, guys, we need to protect this against looping. What if it's looping? This was supposed to be round 0. Now it turned into round 1. And so now I could loop and turn round 1 into round 2. You see this? But that's not what I want. It looped back. You see this? It went from 19 in front. How can we stop it from looping? Oh, by the way, Togglebit, thank you very much for the raid. Hello there. Welcome, you guys. We're just learning how to macro. It's only increasing the first digit. Oh, so wait, but it does work. See, it went from 18 to 19. It's looping. It's typing more stuff now. Okay. No, it increases by 1. Yeah, it should increase by 1. Not just the first digit. Okay, so I think that's nice. It would be cool to make it so that we can just press like... We could just make it so that it would always go down till it doesn't find anymore till the last, like, how do you say that? It goes down to the document once, but it doesn't go up anymore. It doesn't loop. If we have like loop protection in this, then we can just do 20 queues and it will just update those rounds accordingly. How do I search for a word which is not followed by another word? Music, you can do exclamation mark song, bro. Could have just manually edited the numbers 50 times at this point.
Are you fucking stupid? I will do this like 10 million times in the future, you Dumbo. Okay, so I will add like 30 or 40 more rounds. And then when I have to go down and change 40 numbers by hand, you think I'm gonna do that? Of course not.
So, by the way, what is the macro saved to like my editor now? And when I close the editor and open it again, is the macro still there? Or do I have to make the macro again? Because, like, I'm not gonna remember this macro. Hell nah. I already forgot what I typed now. So I'm gonna, like, tomorrow I come back to this and I'm like, huh? You need to remake it? You can write it in your Vim RC? I don't have that. I see. Do a regex for a unique round signature? CSV is still the best, or just a level 2D data array? So what I'm gonna do in the future, and maybe I should do this now. Here's the question, guys. Who of you in chat, please type 1 if you played Bloons. Please type 1 in chat if you played Bloons. Bloons TD6. Guys, type a 1, not a 2. And I don't want you to type a number if you didn't play it. 1 in chat. Okay. So quite a few of you. The tower defense game, yeah. Day. So here's the question I have. For those of you who played Bloons, what do you think about the waves always being the same in the normal play mode of the game? So you know how the rounds never change in Bloons. You will always have, let's say, let Bloons on round, I think it was like 20 or 15. There will always be let Bloons spawning in that round, no matter which mode you play. And you could be playing the 10th level, and it will always be the same. You like it because you know what you have to prepare for. You like it? I didn't like it. Please change it every mode and map and all ways. So for those of you who played Bloons, what is your opinion on that? Because like there's advantages for this and disadvantages. The number one disadvantage, of course, is that it's repetitive. Did I say advantage? A disadvantage. The number one disadvantage is that it's repetitive. And another thing that I see wrong with this is that... Actually, that's the number one disadvantage. Is there another disadvantage, actually? I think that's it, right? So that's the number one disadvantage. But the advantage is, number one, you can balance this as much as possible so that it's... And then you can tweak the numbers with speed and HP to make it easier and more difficult. That would be like a very easy difficulty curve. And... like you guys said, it's easy to prepare for what's coming ahead. So you know that by round 20, you need to have lead balloon detection. If you don't, you cannot defeat lead balloons.
Gotcha, bitch.
So my question is this. If I have that generic... how do you say that? If I have like this generic... like in balloons. Okay, if I keep it generic like in balloons. No, not generic. If I keep it fixed like in balloons, then I don't need to expose this to you guys in some form of editor. For example, in the game right now, hopefully I can... like, I didn't break anything right now, but essentially in this editor here, to the left I could give you the control to add in or to define your own spawns. Well, you can already do that though. I already have a solution for that. You can have like 50 rounds, and then if I have 50 rounds that I define here, for every round that you put into the editor... So give me a second here, this menu is really annoying me. For every round that you can put into the editor, I could say replace this round or I add to this round. I solved the loop thing, really you did? And Fishcaster, thank you very much for following. Problem is you would need to balance, and the waves and the map and balloons, they just balance the map, right? So that's what I mean. If I keep my spawns exactly the same in every map, then I just need to balance the maps. So I make a map and I make it more difficult by making this path shorter. Now the map's more difficult. If I were to remove the loop and the enemies would just walk like this, the map would be twice as difficult. Why don't you make the in-game round editor? I don't like difficulty settings. Cakez and Bloons basically has the same waves, just on different maps and 3 different settings. Yes. That's what I mean with repetitive. Path shorter, space for banana trees, smaller, water for different units, etc. Exactly. So yeah, 100%. So I could do the same. I think I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna give you guys the... So here's how this works, okay? This is what I'm dreaming of, which I have not done, but I should probably do that before the demo. Where's paint? Here's what I'm thinking of, okay? So let's say this is like the list of spawns, right? Or the spawn system. Okay, that's like a list. That's numbered, okay? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, so that it would be like 0, or let's say round 1, 2, 3, 4. And now what we could do here in a map, right? In a map, which could be modded by you guys, for example. Mod. You would still have this list, but then there would be options. This list could have like 2 triggers, like 2 checkboxes essentially. And this is what it would look like. It has one checkbox here and another checkbox here. And let me draw those checkboxes really quickly. And with those checkboxes you can determine, or it's probably a mode, not a checkbox. But essentially what you could do here is, if you make this green, you could say, okay, this is going to replace the round. And then in this case right here, the yellow one maybe, for round 2, it's going to add these units to round 2. So these would be like the options that I give you. So you have like the basic spawns that always spawn in every map, and each map is different depending on how you code it in the mod. You could say I'm going to replace all of the 50 rounds with my own rounds, or I'm just going to add additional units to the already existing rounds to make it more difficult. You're over designing this, mate? No, I think this would lead to multiple mods being created and multiple maps being created that are really difficult. I think that opens up a lot for the community to create in the game. And ultimately you still have the freedom to design your maps completely how you want it by replacing all of the default rounds. Boy. As in indie, understand if you choose to do the same rounds as you don't have infinite time, but shortening the path is basically the same as just giving the boss more HP. Yeah, exactly. I hope this is something you will add later, right? Yeah, I kinda like... Yeah, I mean, I would like to add it now, but we need to add it later, yeah. What about the base game? Which approach would you take? For the base game, without mods, I would probably just have a set in stone spawn system. Like in Bloons. I'm leaning towards that because it makes it easier for me to manage and balance. And I don't have to change, like, think about it like this. I make a change in the balancing for my game, and now one round in one particular level, if each level has their own spawns, right, is totally broken. And maybe it is broken in 5 different places. Now I have to go to these 5 levels and change their spawn systems. Or, even worse, I remove an enemy from the game, and now that level is still referencing that enemy. I need to clean up that reference so that the level doesn't spawn any bullshit. And that's just so much work. If I have it in code, then I can't reference something that doesn't exist anymore because I get a compile error, and I can fix it right there. I like this a lot. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. Give me a second. Be right back. Didn't you say he's fairly easy yesterday? Why are you struggling? Well, the first one was, yeah, because he didn't do any damage, but this one you can't see anything. And second, he's black.
Yeah. 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 Oh no. No. I'm not falling down again, guys.
Imager? Before C++. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, man, fuck. Oh. Oh god. Great meme, man. 20 years older because of C++.
Bitch! That's a
Daddy, chill.
Retard. Yeah. Oh shit.
Why does it take 10 days to search for intro time? Why is the program crashing if I search for intro time? Oh my god!
I'm gonna get very close. What are you gonna do?
How do I get this done, man? Huh?
The button switching
I can't
eyes?
dodge.
Which button is switching eyes? Why do the skeletons take no damage? Because they are physical resistant. They have resistance to physical deeps. Write a fast CSV parser then. CSV is just the data and zip it. Even a web server can record millions of small files at ease. CSV too slow for games. Guys, it's fine. It's fine. And we're gonna do it like this. Got him? Haha. Haha. Cakez, Control Shift W. You're bad. Actually. Fuck you, man! Just leave me alone and let me do this, okay? Fucking asshole. My god. Can you add that to video redeem? So much work. Fine, I'll do it. I'm gonna add that to video redeem. It's okay. Fine, link it. Wait, I have the link here. Shit. Not supposed to do like that. Yeah, like Jason is fast enough, I know. Wait, can't we just supply this? Or do I have to download this? I will add it on Discord channel for that, if it works. I don't know if we can just add this to the Discord channel. You know, the clips voting. You wanna try this? I think it needs to be an actual file. I don't think it can just be a link. Right? It needs to be an MP4 file. But sure, if you wanna do it, do it. Will help me, like, it will help me a lot. I don't have to do it now. I will upload a file. Yeah, thank you, AQ. Yeah, okay. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh yeah, like, okay, so someone in chat earlier said that he has the updated version for the Vim commands that I need to put into chat. Do you still have them? So like, how can I see my recorded macro, by the way? And also, I think I can put this into the settings.json, can I? So like, for example, I have a settings.json file here. Not this one. Here. And I'm pretty sure I can put a macro in here too. Right? Let's Google this. HTML files are just enough. In general, HTML is fast even if it's just .xml. Let's see. Vim macros VS Code settings.json. Saving macros. Before, Q leader, after, escape. Vim, normal mode key bindings, non-recursive. Macros can't be saved now, but you can use the key binds to get around it. I just use this surround code markdown. You can also use devlog. That's 2019 though. It's 2019. So is this updated? You can switch. Pretty easy to set up macros saved between sessions without any workaround. Is there an update? Looks like there's not. I don't think you can save Vim macros in the settings. You'd have to record it. So what I probably would have to do is have like a keybind that does that for me. Where I'm like, okay, so before I pressed, I don't know, some key. I don't even know which key that would be, man. Thank you, Ultra Sheesh Bundle, for following, bro. Having to re-record the macro every time is really annoying. That's a problem. Because it's tedious.
Gotcha, bitch!
And I will definitely forget the macro. Also, wrong place. You are in the visual mode now. You're gonna do this. I'd go in the normal mode. Visual mode, normal mode. What's the difference between the two? Like, visual mode is just moving the cursor, right? That's the visual mode. What does set no rep scan before executing it and set rep scan after? Look up Vim visual mode key bindings. These bindings only trigger if there's a selection. I see. I see what you mean. Visual mode key bindings, right? That's what I want to do. And then I'm gonna put a key binding here. No? So like normal mode. Anyways, gotta go. See ya, fun stream. Yeah, thank you very much for helping, bro. And so now I just need to put a... Oh god. I don't even remember my macro. Guys, does someone remember the macro I did? Shit. It's like, what was the macro again? Let's see here. So it was... QQ slash round backslash D. I remember that. Enter. Control A. Q.
What does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! Oh my god! What, 9,000?
You're making a shortcut. Yeah, I'm making a shortcut. So, which shortcut? Let's see. Let's just see which shortcut I don't need. So, for example, I need I need O. Maybe Shift R? I never use Shift R. Maybe just Shift R. So how do I do Shift? How do I do Shift, bro? Oh god. Leader. Q. Whatever leader is. Capital R will work. Okay, so before, and then I want to do after. Right? How do they do this here? Before, after. Okay. Yeah. How does that even work? So essentially I do slash like that? Huh? For your use case, simple Vim motion off is everything you need. You can use a button as a leader to use combinations. Obviously, Cakez just uses Emacs. Just use Emacs that comes with everything out of the box, including an operating system. Wait, is it not charging the phone, the thing here? Oh shit, it's not charging. Okay, now it's charging. So what did I do? Round D, and then like, how can I do enter? Function. Log info. Function. Escape, so I would assume that enter is enter, right? So it would just be enter. And then probably CR. You think it's CR? enter. Uh-oh. That's really annoying. Control. You guys can't even see what I'm typing, right? Control. A. But, like, I need to hold control. I need to do control A. How is he doing that here? He's recording a macro through QA, start recording. Register A, then Q again to enter macro. A is run macro in register. Obviously, Cakez should just use Emacs. I'm not recording a macro, I'm building a hotkey. Maybe control A like that. Control A. I think that will work. But then shouldn't I be able to, like... Shouldn't I be able to do a slash round like this? Control A, and then that's it, right? It finds the route, enters, and does Control A. There's no way this works, by the way. There's no way this works. I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna test. We're gonna test some stuff here. I wanna see if this works. No, this doesn't work. Okay. Wait, it might be CA. C-A. Mean that? Oh wait. I forgot the slash. It does work. It does work. So it selects it, and if I do Control A now, but didn't press Enter. Oh, because I didn't add Enter here. Okay. Why are you doing this here? Oh, it does work. Okay. And then CA.
The Vim God! Yes! Oh God, yes!
Oh my god! Yes, it does work. Cool. This is incredible. I like that. Now let's make sure that these rounds are rounded correctly. They have their correct numbers. And so now I can just do shift round, increase round. And they will all update their numbers fast. And now instead of spending 10 million days incrementing these numbers, I always have the right number if I remember to do Shift R. Hello there. Hello Bruno on YouTube. Good morning. How come you have JPath? Thought you were doing CPP. A JPath? Oh, where's this? J here, this one? Because I have access to the J beta, and we made a game in J. That's why. So I used this to program in J too. But it was like a small little side project. If you need to watch someone else's video, then I know not to listen, guys. Eh? Don't push the experience, please. It's only a comma-separated format called bogus. You can write the data types whatever you want in CSV2. Can you explain the Shift R with the repeating thing now? Explain what this does? Essentially, Shift R is now a macro chain. But how can I chain that? I don't know how I would chain this, to be honest. You would mean like... I mean, yeah, you could do something like 10 or 1, 0. And then it does 10 of these. I think. But, yeah, let's just not do that. Do you want to do it manually 30 times, or how does it work? So let's actually do this, right? I added in a round. Oh, what if I delete a round? I just don't delete rounds then. I can't like undo the rounds at the moment, but I can add new rounds. So for example, for round 8, right? Or was it round 7? Round 7 was too much. Yeah, it had the skeletons and the red skeleton in here. And then a bunch of... Wait, round 7 was fine. 6 armor wave. Round 5, okay, wait a minute. Skeleton crawler, dark crawler, skeleton. Yeah, so these... I changed it to round 6. Okay, so round 5... We have a red crawler here. Now we need to... This is... let's see. What if I just do this? Cakes, you can make another macro that increments the number with Control X instead of Control A. Yeah, but then what hotkey would that be? I have it Shift R, maybe Shift E now? I don't know. Okay. Let's do this again. Play again. Now we have round 5 been the same.
Give me a second.
Twice.
Oh.
It's a keybind. Yeah, macro is recorded to a register of your choosing. Yeah, it's not a macro, it's a keybind. Yeah. Gave up so fast? No. But I wanna like balance the game. It's already 2 hours 30 minutes in. I'm always procrastinating on this.
Oh my god! I hate const! Const
We
is
have
trash!
20 and 12. Here we have 20 and 12 again. Oh, cool! And then 25. Hey! What is this with this game, man? Fuck you! That's hey! No! Please stop! Oh yeah, I remember that part. Man. This is so fucking dumb. I'm telling you guys, there will not be another game like Dark Souls again. Even Elden Ring doesn't have this stuff. You know? Like, does Elden Ring have these types of castles? They don't anymore. Because it's now it's just an empty field. The spike mimic combo is just too funny, yeah. Like, they were smart doing that. Open world trash, yeah, it's too open world, exactly. Obesity simulator, question mark? Okay. Cakez will be just as good. Mark my words. Nah, it won't. It won't be. It's a 2D game, brother. And it's a tower defense game. Let's see. Okay. Just play. Let's see how that feels. Okay. I wonder, how's my face lighting up when we have this? It's actually fine, I guess. Okay, cool, another level up. Like that, boom. Well, you get flashbanged in the game. I just wanted to make it seem like it's very important. Okay, we are in round 6 now. That's the armor wave. Let's see here. I think I need to time round 6 a bit better. Wait a minute. I want to do this again. I didn't pay attention. Also, I can't really tell if you can use these. They don't show, like, they need to be darker if you can't use them. Can you post the attack sound in Discord? I want to try something, Cakez. Which attack sound do you mean? The one where they get hit? The skeleton impact? Yeah, okay, I mean, sure. Assets, sounds. Which one do we have in the game at the moment, though? It's a question. It's skeleton impact short. Okay, where do you want this? Like, in general, maybe? Oh, hello there, Ashen. There's a clown stream somewhere around here. I can smell it. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. That's very rude, you know that? It's actually very rude, this guy. Alright, okay. Let's see. So this is round 4. Nothing really difficult happening. It is kind of a lot. Maybe I need to tone it down a bit. Okay, also we can't really tell that we can buy this bottom row. We'll have to work on that. Maybe just make these darker or something. Didn't send it? Didn't press... Oh. Press enter. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Where did the fallen coins go? They're still there, you just can't see them because of layering issues in my engine. So what I'm trying to draw at the moment is like these transparent quartz, yellow quartz in somewhat of like this shape. And these are just all quartz. Essentially it looks like this. That's what I do. So I draw one big one. Oh, I hate that. Stop it. click on it here. And then I draw another one that's smaller. And then I draw another one that's smaller. And then I draw another one that's smaller. Something like that, right? So that's what I'm drawing. And the coins, I draw them after I drew this. On top. But because of OpenGL and me being unable to program this properly, they are not drawn on top, but they're actually drawn behind these. Looks like they are behind. And so I don't know how I can change that in OpenGL graphically with blending and whatever the fuck. Just does not work. Okay? So yeah. I'm amazed how inefficient Cakez is in programming. Magnificent. Shut your mouth. I'm not. Okay, so this is round 6, which is the non-armor wave. Is it? No, that is the armor wave. Fuck, man. Okay, one more time. I didn't pay attention because you always interrupt me, guys. Stop. I need to pay attention now. Okay, thank you. Can easily beat these. Boom, 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 boom. I was away for a second. Did you already decide whether to create new waves per map or consistent waves? Consistent maps. Consistent waves. So the coins are here. They're just drawn behind. Or it looks like they're drawn behind. You see this? Unfortunately. So yeah. It is how it is. I just decided to leave the effect the way it is. And then just move on and fix it later. Okay, so this is round 5. I think it's kind of easy now. It just acts as another round with... Maybe I'm just gonna make a lot of fast enemies spawn here. Then... Let's see. That's round 5. Instead of spawning... Like, how about we do 0.5 and then we spawn 30 of these. Minus E index has nothing to do with this because it's not sorted. And I draw transparent objects before. So like the problem is I draw... The problem is essentially that I'm not sorting... Like how do I explain this? Essentially... Let's say I have a coin. Let's make it orange. Okay. This is the coin. Coin. And I draw this additive. Additive blending. Now I draw a yellow quad on top of the coin. This one right here, that's just a quad. And maybe I draw 2 of these. 2 quads. 2 quads. But I draw them normal transparent. So transparent just. Let's call it normal blending. Normal blend. Here's the problem. I sort all of these. These are sorted. But these are not sorted against these because I keep these in 2 arrays. Essentially, I have an array for additive and I have an array for normal blending. And I sort these arrays respectively. But I don't sort them together. I don't sort them under each other. So, like against each other. And so an optimization for the renderer would be to get rid of this. And then just have a loop of transparent objects where I switch the blend mode every time in the renderer. That's what I would need to do. I have these 2 separate arrays to be able to draw this in one draw call. or in 2 draw calls. I have one additive draw call and I have one normal blending draw call. That's the thing. And that's why I can't sort these together. Unfortunately. And that's why it looks the way it is. And also it has to do with the blending mode that I do in the game. It also looks really bad for some reason. And so like I might have to revisit the renderer, but maybe I do that in Vulkan. Because I think there's still some weird stuff going on. That I don't like. You will go back to Vulkan? In the future, maybe, yeah. Why not direct 3D, Sir Cakes? No, because I want to be able to do cross-platform stuff. Vulkan is probably better for that. Also, if we're ever gonna do 3D in our own engine, then it's got to be Vulkan. I don't think we can get away with OpenGL there. Yeah, Vulkan is probably better. You should write your game in it. Anyways, but that's like in the future. So now I just made these guys spawn more, right? Or did I not save? I got distracted again. Goodness. I got distracted again, bruh. So this is no problem. Then it spawns these guys. This is no problem either. Oh, no, then it spawns a lot of these. Okay, I mean... it's fine, I guess. Making a 3D game for a single platform is too much work already. Yeah, I guess you're right. We'll have to see. But I don't want to use OpenGL if the setup is so different on other machines. And I run into support issues. Where the setup of OpenGL is so different on that Linux machine compared to Windows, for example. Vulkan is overkill for this. I know it's overkill for this. I know. But we'll have to see, right? Let's first make the game. Alright, now this is round 6. And we have 500 gold. Holy shit. We can even get a tier 2 upgrade now. What do we have here? We have bleed damage, attack speed, ability duration, and bleed chance. So number 1, I want this weapon to have... let's see, Wolfsbane. Wolfsbane. So here's the question, guys. Is it Wolfsbite? Wolfsbite, okay. This is the balance sheet from yesterday. In this balance sheet, I decided... no, in this balance sheet, I have written down the HP values of all my enemies compared to damage values by a sword hit, essentially, just for one unit. And we have some breakpoints in the game here where certain damages, in this case 80 for attack, turns 4 hits to 2 or 4 hits to 3 hits. And yesterday we figured out that 85 for the defender on the 3rd upgrade in terms of physical damage will be a very good upgrade for the defender because he can now two-shot the white crawlers, which are, you can see on screen right here. And there's also the dark crawlers that go from 6 hits to 4 hits to 3 hits. And then we also have the skeletons that go from 200 hits to 40 hits to 6 or 7 hits in this case. And if we have 85, I think it's actually even... no, not 850. 85? It's 6 hits, yeah. So it goes from 200 hits to 40 hits to 6 hits. Which is a huge improvement, of course, when you have the tier 2 upgrade, essentially. And That means, though, that the tier 2 upgrade... Let's slow this down a bit. This one right here needs to have at minimum 30 physical damage that it buffs to your... Or that it adds to your... To the hero, essentially. Now... Yo, Cakez. Hey, Avatar Azula. Good morning, bro. I want to quickly change something. You see how the sword is on top? Here? I think I want to do it like this. Update weapon. It bothers me. And I got asked that yesterday too. We can make the weapon appear in front of the hero without having it appear in front, without having it appear in front of other heroes that are further down below. That has to do with the layer that we set up. In front of the hero layer, that's the taunt phase. Actually, what is this? Ability taunt, we don't want to work with that. And sting, we don't need that either. Shield bash, intervene, scratch, normal attacking. So weapon position, layer point. That is the point for the layer. Weapon layer. That has to do with swinging the sword. So draw trail needs the weapon layer. Let me think.
Gotcha, bitch.
Weapon data. What do I set to 0? I set these things to 0. So I keep the layer for the weapon, right? Oh, I don't even need to draw stuff here anymore. That's so crazy. I don't need to have a draw weapon anymore. Actually, I do in this case, I think. Doesn't matter. Wait. Render options. Yeah. No, guys, that's important. So essentially, that layer point. Weapon position is important, yeah. Draw the trail. That takes... It's behind the weapon layer. Okay. Yeah. Draws the trail, attack enemies. Yeah. Oh shit. Like, okay, so this one's big. That's the normal attack. Then over here. Here it is. So this is where we calculate the layer point, or the layer, the weapon layer. So essentially the weapon layer is like this. If the hero.weapon data, if the weapon position on Y is behind, then this behind the center of the unit. Why? If it's higher, then I want to put the weapon behind the hero.layer. Otherwise, I want to put it in front of the hero.layer. Now, here's the thing. The trail... Maybe this works already, and then we don't need that. Let's see. Now, hopefully... If I update this once, this sword is hopefully behind the unit. I'm collecting W's left and right today, bro. That's insane. I did this first try, and now the weapon is always behind the tangerine here, and it looks a little bit cleaner. We just cleaned up the visuals of the game. Look at this, guys. Boom. Watch.
It's fine.
That is the only problem here. Yeah. You. That's kind of, you know, that's kind of odd. We need to fix that. I have an idea. Shouldn't it just be in front? Like a shield is in front and the armor piercing, armor thing is in front. So Skibidi W, Cakez. Cakez, I don't know if it made a difference, but I removed the high frequency part a bit in the Discord in general. Okay. Thank you, man. Are you good with sound design, Mr. Shady11? But it has an echo now. No, I'm learning for my game. Do you hear that? It's like I'm hitting someone in... Or you'd edit that on purpose? Guys, I think the echo is odd, right? Let me turn off the music. You hear this, guys? Okay. It's just more quiet. It's just quieter, bro. It's just quieter. It's not echo, the whole sounds just doesn't make sense. KK and W. No worry. Clap your hands all. It's a bit different. No, it's a bit different. Yeah, bro, it's more quiet. If it was the same volume, then we could maybe tell a difference, but it's a different volume. It's listen. Okay, look. Here, OBS.
Gotcha, bitch.
These are my sound volumes, okay? Watch. You ready? It goes to almost -5, and this goes to -15. So what are you talking about? It is more quiet. So how can I tell a difference if the sound is quieter? I can't. It's also different, but it's you can't notice it if the sound is more quiet, if that makes sense, right? It's not a bug, it's a feature. Here comes another side quest, not related to balancing. Yeah, I know, Ray Jacob, I know. It's another side quest, but it's been bothering me a lot, and visual clarity is important. So it looks like to me, the behind and in front in Schnitzel Lib. The epsilon is just too large. So we need more floating point precision, it looks like. Or like we need to go down by more. Maybe that... How? There's no way. Try this one. Yo, Cakez, I heard the demo release is next week. No, it's not next week, okay? I'm trying to release the demo this year, brother. And don't put me under pressure, okay? I'm trying to give you guys an experience that is... Okay?
So shut up! Let me do this!
Stop pressuring me about the demo, okay? Stop it. Or there will be no demo this year, okay, bro? So... Oh yeah, we were gonna look at this. Okay. It does sound a bit different, yeah. It's not bad, bro. It's really nice. So maybe I can just... thank you. I think I'm gonna take it. And, you know... just put it in the game now? Or not put it in the game, but maybe alternate. Make it so that we can alternate between the sounds. Let's see here. Just put it here, then skeleton, impact, short, copy, put that here. It needs to be a WAV file, by the way, but I can do that myself. So open with, not Firefox, you moron. I misclicked, sorry. Audacity. And then file. Do we have this 41,000? So that looks good, yeah. Export as WAV file. Save. No, wait, that was not the right folder, was it? There was some weird folder sounds in TwitchBot. Okay, get rid of that. We don't want to put that there. Quick access. Here. Thank you very much, Shade11. That's awesome to hear. Or, you know, thank you so much for trying to make this better. I really appreciate that, bro. I mean it. Yeah, get rid of that. We don't need that. I really do mean it. Thank you, man. There we go. If you use fmod, you can dynamically alter the sounds each time they play to reproduce to reduce repetition cakes. Yes, Galaxy Media, we are going to do this. For those of you who are wondering, fmod, we are going to do fmod next week. So what we will do is we'll try to add fmod to the game. I hope it's no bloat and I hope it doesn't load very slowly, man. I just hope that it's just going to be easy integration. And we can just use it, and it sets up their own sound thing, and maybe even own sound handling. So I just give it a sound file, and it plays the sound file, and then I give it some options to repeat and whatever, and then it just repeats itself, you know. That would be so awesome, you know, man. Please. Yeah, so I hope that it works, but I can see myself struggling with this. All right, let's see here. So, I want to know why it doesn't draw the trail properly. Maybe it's because I set the trail layer once incorrectly. And other trail points are wrong. Let's just see what happens when I... This one is behind. Okay, that works. This one should be completely on top. So this has to do, 100% this has to do with sorting. So the reason why this is behind is not because my layer is wrong or my calculation for this shit is wrong. No, this is because I'm drawing that stupid thing in the transparent layer. And the draw trail bullshit generates vertices that are... Maybe they don't use dev testing. Yeah, so... Oh man, that's annoying as fuck, bro. I also made modification to the sound. Shrugek also made modifications. You did, yeah? Shrugek. Okay, let's listen to this. Wait a minute. So it's softer, right? Your sound is softer. So what did Dev Spudger say? A sound that repeats a lot needs to be soft. Wait, I can just do /user, right? Dev Spudgers. No, like Spudgers. When I first, when he came into chat and we did this sound for the first time, he said it needs to be softer. I don't remember when it was though. Can we search here? Control F. Soft. Okay, maybe it's higher up or something. It was definitely this year, so let's just go up a bit. until we get to 2023. So soft. There we go. Good morning. Happy to see your channel grow. Well deserved. The sound effect though, change it into something softer. Any sound that repeats has a lot has to be super soft and smooth. So guys, what is soft? I guess the second one, huh? Your dick? Okay, this guy is getting banned. We don't want to have these comparisons here. Dumbass. Wow, you guys have the same sound. Look. Softer attack, I guess, would be a slower attack. Fine, I'm gonna try out yours too. Alright, thank you guys. That's awesome. I really appreciate that, you know? That means a lot to me. Because it means I can try out these different sounds made by you guys. Let's do number 3. There you go. Thank you very much. One sounds a bit more hollow, like a Sword is Hollow. Yeah? Maybe Shade 11's is better. But this one feels softer. You can randomly alternate between the 3. Yeah, you can. The sound that Frog did sounds nice and smooth. Nice mid-range balanced. Oh, Tiger of THT, long time no see, bro. How's it going? TTS, hello. Hello there, sir. How long have you not been here, bro? That's a long time. Welcome, sir. That's awesome. All right. Well, I mean, we could test this, but for now we have this issue here. Can I track this in the shade in the renderer? GL renderer. And what was the problem? But if you random between the 3 cakes, I don't want to do that because we're gonna use Fmod, and so I'm wasting my time by trying to alternate sounds now if I can just do something with Fmod later, you know. So it would just waste our time. Render to game textures. So here it is. Copy the opaque transforms. So this is where we begin. We draw the opaque transforms first. And then we draw the transparent objects in the game. And we start with the trail rendering. And since these don't use dev writing, but only dev testing, they are drawn before this, and that's the second transparent object that I draw on top. So guys, should the trail just be... I mean, I can change this order here, you know? I could say, okay, well, I draw the transparent quartz first, and then the trail rendering, right? And then it might look different. I think we're gonna get a repeat of the DAW stream with Fmod. Just go away, man. Like, come on. No. Why does it look different now? Huh. Very interesting. Wonder what happened here. Normal blending? Draw, reset for next frame. Draw transparent. Whoa, what do we have here? Blend function, blend function, blend function. So, like, what is the problem? Ah, maybe the use program? Use old program and transforms. Yeah, so that seems to be fine. Lights and ambient. Maybe it is because... I don't know. Copy transform, bind vertex storage buffer. Ah, there it is. There it is. We need to bind the buffers again, do we? No? No, I don't? Show us around with the current look, please, Cakes. No, it's not looking good. I won't. What am I doing wrong? It has to be the blend mode. It's the blend mode. It needs to use... But I do the same blend mode here. Eh? What's the problem? GL use program. GL use program. Maybe like, hey? I don't understand. Huh? What is the huh? I think it's much more cozy this way. I can do that with my other lighting system as well. Looks great. Guys, no, it doesn't. It's definitely wrong. And that's bad. This order shouldn't do anything to the game. This is the problem with the OpenGL state machine. I'm not even drawing trails, so this shouldn't even do anything at all. Huh? Bro. Huh? It's not drawing the lights. What the fuck, man? Ugly, shut the fuck up. Itchy rat, go looking cakes. Maybe it's time. Maybe it's time we dust off the covers. Back to this. Bro, that was so good. Change it back. No. What playlist are you using? Oh, I can give it to you. Yeah. Or maybe not. If this doesn't work anymore, the... Eh? I can't give it to you. I guess I don't have a playlist song thing. But it's this one here. Copy, share, copy link. There it is. This is the link. Hey, why does this happen now? Like, it's really bothering me. Like, come on. Lights and ambient. Bind frame buffer, blending mode, ambient color. So why did that not clear color to ambient color? So yeah. What change did I do? Why is it not doing that anymore? Eh? Did I do a change which destroyed the renderer? Let's see here. I didn't change anything in the renderer at all. Nothing changed, lol. There's absolutely nothing that changed here. So how come all of a sudden my lighting doesn't work anymore? Render data ambient color, okay. Level ambient color. It doesn't do this here. Why? Oh my god, because of step debugging. Oh my god, I had the game paused. I wasn't updating the game. I'm so stupid. Okay, wait. So what was the ambient color? You guys liked it too much, so much. So this is the ambient color that we had. Okay. I mean, we can take a look at it, right? Keep it here. This is the color. And then we can go back. Wait, so then, wait a minute. I can still change these two around. I draw the trails after the transparent objects. Which turns the trails to always be on top of the transparent objects. Let's see. I think that will be wrong too, by the way. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Attack. Now it's on top of the sword, because the sword is transparent. Man, what do you do in this case? I don't have sorting between the two, so how can I do this, guys? What should I do? Ja, wann müssen wir da sein? 17 Uhr, okay. Rewrite in assembly, switch to Vulkan. God damn it, man. God damn it. Maybe switch to Unity. Use an engine that can handle, that can easily handle sorting. Limao. What's the current problem? The current problem is that this trail is in a completely different shader. And so I'm using a separate program to draw this trail. And I do not have sorting between that trail's data and my transparent quads in the game. So for example, when I'm drawing these trails, there's no sorting between these transparent elements. And so the only option I have is either I draw the transparent elements first, sort them, then they are sorted properly, and then the trail, but then the trail is always on top. Or I draw the trail first, and then the transparent objects, but then the trail is always on top. Oh no, the trail is always behind, and the transparent objects are always on top. There's no workaround here. And so I don't know how to do that. Ja. Ja, mach, alles gut. Hallo. Sorry. Ja, den Arm. Nein, das nicht. Die Arme. Upsi. Okay. There we go. Okay, meine Kleine. Okay. We have a visitor here. Just trolling you, Cakes. The potatoes looks now really wrong. Skeletons and ghosts and golems as enemies and potatoes as heroes. Okay.
Gotcha, bitch.
These are not potatoes, bro. These are not potatoes. These are oranges, brother. This looks like a potato maybe because it's brown, but they are in fact not that. Okay. Let me see here. Now, do we have some really strong, overpowered, like maybe Super Saiyan level OpenGL pros in chat that know how to handle this type of situation where I have two different shaders, both of them use transparent objects. Like, how would I do this? Would I essentially have to use the program? Use a program depending on, like, would I have to iterate over both of these arrays? And then only draw a portion of these arrays? And then switch between them? Essentially, like, sort the draw calls using loops? Or something? Oh, Gesundheit. Oh, man. Cakez, even AAA games have artifacts with particle sorting, for example. Just don't pay attention to it normally. You just don't pay attention to it normally. Yeah, that's right. I don't know, bro. I don't know OpenGL. It's so funny. Like, she looks so focused on chat. Like she's reading chat. Maybe she can read chat and then tell me what you guys say. Bro, me and my wife have been contemplating having another kid and I've been strongly against it. This helper showing up on stream, making me miss my kids at that age. Need to stand on my ground, lol. Yeah, like, listen, man, this is the best time, bro. You don't sleep much, but they are the cutest things on the entire planet. They are so stupid, but funny. It's so funny. Yeah. And the way... Gesundheit! Gesundheit! And, you know, the way they laugh at you when you look at them is so funny too. Bless ya. God bless. It's a great, and she's learning to program in C++ already. Yeah. So when she graduates from university, she'll have the necessary experience to start working in technology. True. Perhaps try drawing in the order of the Y position. Yeah, I would need to, like... I don't even know how that works, because I can... Like, it's a triangle strip. I don't think I can do this at all. I would have to have, like... I don't know, like, it would be something... Like a structure? Yeah, so I don't know, man. I don't know how to do that. If it's transparent, would that work? Wait, why am I drawing these items in a transparent layer? Again? Why did I make this transparent here? Why did I make the weapon transparent? Oh, I see. So what we could do here is we don't draw the weapon transparent. Oh, I drew the weapon transparent because of the mage. So the mage in the game here has a staff. And that staff has transparent pixels in it. So I draw the weapon transparent. That's why this happens. Oh, that's annoying. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, guys, I probably need to cook on this. I need to cook on this because I don't know what to do yet. And also, I don't want this to be too inefficient, right? Maybe some kind of layer system where you draw the slash effect on its own layer. Now, ultimately, what we have is just a Z layer or a Z index that is very fine-grained from 0 to 1. And so the slash is already in the correct layer. It's just not using that layer because I don't have a comparison point, essentially. Otherwise, it looks so good, man. It looks really nice. Also, the problem here is this. Okay, in this case, it's on top of both of these weapons. But if this guy starts attacking now, it will probably be visible here. So you see how the trail of the sword that's behind is on top of the sword that is actually in front. that's another problem. So I probably want to have correct layering. I just don't know how to do it yet. Right, Zoe? Right? PDF document? Good. Deep and fast approximate order independent. Can we do plus here? Deep and fast order independent transparency. Okay. Damn, is that... Oh god. Computing the pixel color by the following recursive formula. Wait, isn't this what TCAP did? Is TCAP in chat? TCAP, are you here? Are you in chat? I think that's what TCAP did. We just need to accumulate some data here. It looks like he isn't in chat. But can you do this in like multiple? Does it work? Is there like an implementation here in code somewhere? I'm not gonna read this, by the way. I'm not reading this. Like, there's no way I will figure out what it is, bro. Is there an implementation? Yeah, implementation? Somewhere? Maybe? Implementation, bro? Texture format? Some code here? There is further down. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, so these numbers really, they're awesome. You know, the feed timer, which is, you know, taken straight from the American metric system, is like 1.6 in this case. You know, when you're using 1280 or 1280 by 720, right? So that's 1.6, obviously, right? And then the sponsor scene, right? That's probably the sponsor scene, is being rendered with 40 dicks, right? And in this case, Benix scene, whatever that scene is, has 21 dicks and 1.1 feet. Okay? That makes sense. Yeah, so these are all of the different research papers. Yeah. Defawit, Wiboid, Mboid, HT. Guys, if I could get away drawing transparent objects in my game without having to sort ever, dude, you know how efficient my game would be? It would be like lighting. What do you mean there's code down below? You're lying. There's no code at all. What do you mean by code? Huh? This guy's lying. Bruh, where do you see code? I just see math symbols. He said page 5. Who said that? Who said that? Hey, you said implementation? Yeah, that means code. That's not pseudocode, guys. These are math symbols. These are math symbols. That's not code. That's math. Well, time to rewrite the entire rendering backend. That's the only way forward. Copy it in ChatGPT, get it to do it. You translate that into code? Absolutely not. I'm not translating that into code, because that will take me 10 weeks. Absolutely not. I will not do that. Listen, I have watched the Randy streams, the Randy videos, okay? I know how long it took him to do inverse kinematics, all right? I'm not gonna do this. I'm not much smarter, so absolutely not. Yeah, this paper, like, I appreciate it, AQ, but that's too far-fetched for me. If it had an actual implementation, yes. But like that, unfortunately, it doesn't do much, because these papers are great. If they don't show code, then what you gonna do? Just copy the math? Like, I don't know why these people make these awesome papers, but then they leave out the code. Like, what stops you from just showing the code? I don't understand. Like, what's the problem? Someone's gonna steal your code, then why even make the paper in the first place? Huh? They are background paper. They're not supposed to give you that. It's supposed to give you inspiration to make better implementation. Code isn't needed in layers, in papers. I disagree, because this is a paper about something in games. About graphics applications in games. In my opinion, the paper should provide some code. Papers like this have more likely a GitHub repository. Some of the white papers have code samples. White papers? I don't see white papers. Not this one though. I see. Yeah, then this paper is, I guess I'm always like, I have different opinions on that, okay? So I have unpopular opinions on this. Anyways, Cakez, can ChatGPT give you code from the math? I don't think so, no. Search it? No, like then the paper to me is meaningless. I'm not gonna read all of that math, absolutely not. It's gonna take 10 days. Okay, Zoe, we have to go. Okay, Zoe? Guys, I have to go. Me and my wife have to go to a restaurant because we wanna give Zoe a... How do you say that? When Zoe turns 1 year old, she also gets like water put on her face from the church. I don't know what that's called in English. Baptism or something? So we have to go there now. And it's totally on me, you know, guys. I'm sorry for being late today. I fell asleep and didn't wake up early enough. I wanted to talk about the Space Marine situation, but I guess we'll do that on Monday. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. I really mean it. But yeah, I hope you have a great weekend, everyone. Yeah, and I will come back. I will come back with a solution to the problem. Okay. All good? Yeah, all good. All is good. I'm gonna send you over to Jackie, and I wish you all a great weekend. Okay. Enjoy yourselves. And thank you again for the tremendous support. Thank you guys for following. You know, Parkour Peter, Body Sam, Crayon Chua, and Dan. Thank you guys for following earlier. And everyone that followed and watched. See you on Monday, guys. You have a good weekend. Bye-bye for a few months now, Cakez. Wow, man, where are you going? Write a Discord, bro. See you later then. Have a good time wherever you go, bro. What stops you from taking the formula and giving it ChatGPT, do a one-to-one translation? Rare good use of LLM. Because these symbols are not something that ChatGPT will probably understand. I could try, but probably not. Guys, peace. Thank you again for the massive support. Bye.